Do you find yourself struggling to fit all your data into the default Sellercloud fields? Fret not, because in this video, we'll show how to use custom columns to help you with that. With custom columns, you can store any type of data for your products, orders, purchase orders, or customers and update at any time. Not only that, custom columns can be used for a variety of purposes, including filtering searches, bulk product updates, custom exports, description templates, mapping profiles, and sending information to channels. Even more, each custom column contains one data type, making it easy to manage and organize your information. With custom columns, the possibilities are endless. You can easily enable or disable custom columns for products by heading to Settings. Select Products and go to Custom Columns. Press Edit and choose the options that work for you. The unnamed checkboxes let you use and edit the columns with imports, include them in mapping profiles, and send them to channels. Note that these columns will not appear on product pages. The dashboard checkboxes let you show the custom column on the product's product details and custom columns pages. The channel checkboxes, eBay, Amazon, etc., let you show the custom column on products' channel properties pages such as eBay properties, Amazon properties, etc. Once you've configured the checkboxes that work for you, simply click Save. Alternatively, you can use the advanced client setting filter custom columns to be per product type to enable or disable custom columns per product type. To do that, you need to go to Catalog and choose Product Types. Search for a particular product type and click the Type ID. Find the Custom Columns to Display section and click Edit. Check or uncheck columns to display or hide them and click Save. To manage your custom column values for products, orders, purchase orders, or customers, simply go to the respective details page, click Toolbox, and select Custom Columns. Edit the columns and save the changes. It's that easy. One of the biggest benefits of custom columns is the expanded search and filtering capabilities they offer. Simply click Add Filter and then select one of your custom columns to use as a search filter. Now you can use your custom column as a custom filter on search pages to help you narrow down your search results and find exactly what you're looking for. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding custom columns and streamline your Sellercloud workflow today.